Welcome to my Prepper Pantry. Today I'd like to share with you a very simple and delicious pizza sauce recipe that you can make with a few simple ingredients from your pantry. What's awesome about this recipe is that you can make as much as you need for however many pizzas you're making. So if you've got a simple little pizza you're doing, or larger or multiples, you can just double, triple, or quadruple the recipe to make as much as you want. Let me show you how I make this. I'm going to show you how to make the quarter cup recipe today, which is the perfect size for a personal size pizza, and then you can adjust it for as much as you need. The first ingredient that we're going to need is a quarter cup of water. So we'll just put that in our bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato powder, a quarter teaspoon of Italian seasoning, an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, a pinch or so of pepper. That should be good. I like my pizza sauce a little sweet, so I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of sugar, but you can put in as much or as little as you'd like. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, just give it a stir. If it seems too thick or too thin for you, you can adjust the thickness by either adding more water or more tomato powder to get the right consistency that you like. But I have found that this ratio works out pretty good for me, for the thickness that I like it to be. And that is it. Just a very simple sauce with just a few basic ingredients. Now let me show you how far a quarter cup of pizza sauce goes by placing it on this pizza crust. So, here we go. So depending on how thick or thin you like your pizza sauce, that should do it. If that's a little bit too heavy for you, just take a little bit off and don't use all of it, but that covers that size very well. I hope that this has shown you how easy it is to make your own personal pizza sauce at home by just using a few simple ingredients that you keep in your pantry. If you are interested in seeing other videos that I've made by using tomato powder, there's a playlist that shows different recipes that I put together on how to use it. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.